So right about now, maybe you're asking yourself, what's the psycho got in the box? Well, let's find out. Well, let's see. I got some foam that is very well packed in there, apparently. We've got a box inside a box, and in this box we've got ourselves a Lensball. And if you don't know what a Lensball is, well, just keep watching the video. Let's go ahead and break this seal here. I love this because when I was reading about this, I heard about all the warnings on this, and I love the fact that they put a warning label right there. Fire warning, don't expose to direct sunlight. Okay, so for all the people out there that are, you know, saying that this thing doesn't come with enough warnings, you literally have to cut a warning to get it out of the box. Okay, let's go ahead and open this up. Looks like we got ourselves a little instruction booklet here. And inside, very nice packaging for the box. Inside we've got ourselves, like I said, nice packaging for the box. Inside we've got ourselves a little case, and the Lensball is inside the case. So there you go. Look at that. Pretty cool. So you're asking yourself probably, well, what exactly is a Lensball? Well, a Lensball is a photography device that basically just obscures backgrounds and stuff like that, and it's essentially just a big crystal ball is all it is. Maybe next autumnal equinox we'll do a little summoning or something like that, but I make no promises. Pretty cool. I do not want to take this thing out any more than I've already shown you. You'll see it advertised all over the place. I did not pay retail for this, so I was not concerned about that part of it. So there you go. Pretty cool. Maybe I'll give you a couple other quick shots outside. Well, if you enjoyed this unboxing, you know I'd appreciate that thumbs up like. Feel free to follow us on Instagram, see what we're up to throughout the week between videos, and maybe, just maybe, I'll see you on the next video. If you enjoy videos about the randomness of our amazing world, consider clicking on the globe to subscribe, or maybe checking out one of the other videos right here.